Take your time when it comes to things. Don't rush into something and run out there and thinking, oh, I got this new craft that I'm about to go do, and I'm about to talk about all this stuff, and now you're here with a wall full of stuff and you're not even using it. I was sitting here about to make a video, and I was about to make a short video, and I decided to come on here and make a long video. You know how you start drawing or start a new hobby or whatever it may be, and you think you gotta go out there and run out there and get the best thing to create that whatever you're trying to create. You think you have to run out there and spend money on stuff on tools or expensive things just to make something looks better. And it's not that. All the things in the world that you think that's going to make you a better artist, you make you a better artist. That means your patience, your ability to learn, your what techniques you have. That is what makes you a better artist, not tools, not the expensive sketchbooks or the expensive pencils. Those things are good to have. They're nice to have, but you don't need it right now. Now, if you can get it, and if you can, you can go buy those expensive things and then go do it. But I'm speaking for the ones that don't have that. You're a mom or you're a dad or whoever you may be in your home, and you're like, that'd be nice to have all those expensive things to, create with, but you don't have the funds to do it. And it's okay, because all you need, you can go back to the old school. All you really need is a pencil and a paper. Those things don't make you an artist. You are the artist. That's just stuff that makes it look better. Looks a little bit better if you, depends on what it is that you're using. I don't know, I just felt like I had to come here and say something about it. I just started, not just started, but I have, started doing more traditional drawing, learning it. And I was like, you know what? I was looking at all the things. I'm like, I could go buy this, I could go buy that. And I'm like, why? Who's to say that I'm going to even continue with it? I would love to, continue creating and using, drawing and things like that. But who say that I will? You don't know. And then there you go. You spend all your money, all the stuff that you might even use. You might even pick up. So don't waste your time and waste your money. I would say, don't waste your money on anything. Right now, all you need is your time. If you can give it time and you can see how your drawing's going, how's your art going, how's your whatever you're creating going, and if you continue loving it and continue wanting to pick up that sketchbook or that pencil, and then you continue doing it every day. Because if I feel like if you're not doing it every day, you're not committed to it. Don't spend your money on necessary things right now when you don't even know if it's something that you're gonna keep going and keep doing. And you can make amazing art with inexpensive things. Like, you do not have to have the best. And I'm not saying that I will never get it one day. I will get it one day, but I'm not gonna make that I can't draw without having those things. I can't draw without that. Yes, you can. You can just go get a pencil and a paper. Because once again, that don't make you an artist. You are the artist. That's it. So that's all I want to say. And I'm gonna make a video of all the things that I use to create art, because I don't use a lot of expensive things. As far as my iPad, that was a gift. It is nothing I ran out when to go get. I had an iPad 6. I didn't have an iPad 6 Pro. I was gifted that. So I was blessed with that. And I'm thankful for that. But it's nothing I was going to go out and get myself. Well, not no time soon. Same thing when it comes to doing traditional art. Like, I'm not a pro, but I'm looking at things like, will I keep this going with this? Will I continue drawing? That's the question that you got to ask yourself. And don't ask yourself right now at the beginning, because you don't know. You don't know where it's going to be. You don't know how you're going to feel in a couple of more years. And most high bless. Take your time when it comes to things. Don't rush into something and run out there and thinking, oh, I got this new craft that I'm about to go do, and I'm about to talk about all this stuff, and now you're here with a wall full of stuff and you're not even using it. A closet full of things that you're not using. You're just piling up stuff. And this is not to knock anybody that's out there that can afford anything, that can do, can go and buy all the expensive things. If you can do it, then go do it. I'm just speaking for the ones that are having a difficult time thinking that they need those things, and then you get frustrated seeing everybody creating, and you're not, if I just had that pencil, if I just had that piece of if I just had that sketchbook, you're thinking that you need those things to become a better artist. And it's not that, it's you. You are the artist, not the materials. So I hope this helps someone out there that's having a hard time. And I pray that you all have an amazing day. Stay blessed. Bye.